Hello everyone! Happy October 6th. Today, we celebrate poetry, noodles, and the joy of mad science. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Poetry Day, a lyrical celebration of words, rhythm, and emotion. A great gift could be a poetry anthology, a custom poem print, or a writing retreat voucher. Got a favorite poet? Let's rhyme in the comments. Next, it's National Noodle Day, a Slurpee tribute to comfort food across cultures. A tasty gift could be a ramen bowl set, a pasta making kit, or a noodle-themed cookbook. Udon, spaghetti, or pho? Let's twirl up some flavor below. Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's Mad Scientist Day, a quirky celebration of curiosity, invention, and wild ideas. A thoughtful gift could be a DIY science kit, a lab coat costume, or a molecular cocktail set. What's your craziest experiment idea? Let's spark some genius in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 6th to 10th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.